Hello, everybody. It is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. In this video, I want to go over a couple tips for you on starting affiliate marketing. Okay, these are things that I've learned over the past few years doing affiliate marketing. These are things that will help you make more money. These are things that will save you money. These are things that will overall improve your experience with affiliate marketing and really just make you a more successful affiliate marketer, okay? Now, number one on the list, okay, and this is an important one, is to don't glamorize free traffic. Free traffic is great. Free traffic is absolutely amazing. It has its place in affiliate marketing, absolutely. But it's not the end all and be all, okay? Paid traffic is also very important because if you don't have a free traffic source, if you don't have a YouTube channel, if you don't have a blog, you don't have an Instagram, you're going to need to pay for traffic, okay? At least initially. Now, I say initially because once you have that, you could often use a email list as traffic or something along those lines to convert sales, okay? Once you have your name out there more and you're getting some sales more, you could build the free traffic over time, but don't glamorize it, okay? Free traffic is great. I have free traffic, but I also do paid traffic because paid traffic is controllable. Free traffic is not. Free traffic, YouTube could hit you with the algorithm tomorrow and your traffic drops in half overnight, right? Versus paid traffic, if you have an ad that works well, that's converting well, that is priced well, you're going to do well with that as well, and that's controllable, okay? So don't glamorize free traffic over paid traffic. Both of them have their place in your ads, right? But yeah, that's number one on the list is just don't glamorize it. Yes, use it, try and build it, but don't be afraid to run ads, okay? Number two, don't be afraid to spend money, okay? And this comes into something that I have been promoting a lot lately, which is the affiliate marketing program I have linked in the description. Now, obviously, if you do buy that program, you're gonna spend a little bit of money up front, okay? But you have to remember it's an investment in yourself. It is an investment in your education, in your knowledge, it could really, the best investments are in yourself. If you spend money on a course or a program like the one linked in the description, this could help you 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10x your returns that you would have otherwise made because it's going to teach you how to convert sales. It's going to teach you how to create a landing page. It's going to teach you how to follow up with existing customers, right? How to build links, how to build autoresponders, all these things. That program's going to teach you. And so I don't think the people who don't want to spend a penny, that is a route you could go. You could try and not spend any money, right? That's certain you can do. But going out and investing a little bit in your education is going to have a tremendous effect on you, okay? It's going to really amplify your returns, speed things up, tremendously. So that's the second thing I wanted to really talk about is don't be afraid to spend money on a program, a course, or anything that will teach you knowledge about a specific topic. And this goes way beyond affiliate marketing. Obviously, the program I sell in the description is about affiliate marketing, but this goes for anything. If you want to learn how to do computer programming, yes, there's tons of free stuff out there, but don't be afraid of the paid stuff either, okay? So that's number two. Number three is quite interesting. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to include this on the list, but I decided to, okay? Now, number three can be a little bit confusing to some people, right? But is something that you have to take into consideration. And that is pick a niche you actually care about, okay? So if you're doing affiliate marketing and you're doing it around things you don't give a damn about, you're going to have some trouble in staying motivated. Staying motivated is the whole game, right? You try every day, you'll succeed eventually. And if you're not motivated, you're not going to want to try every day. So what I've always said is to stay motivated, find something you're interested in and then get involved with that. You're interested in the ketogenic diet. That's your passion. That's what you're doing. You lost 50 pounds doing it. Write a blog on it. You start selling, informational products around the ketogenic diet, which there are a ton of affiliate products around that specific diet. as well as like vegan diets and things like that. That's besides the point. Find something you are passionate about before you get into affiliate marketing. It could be something simple. You're passionate about investing, you're passionate about budgeting, you're passionate about chess. All of these things have affiliate programs that you could use to make money with, okay? And that's really my final word on it. Those 3 tips, you follow those and you will be very successful. If you want to grab the program I mentioned, it'll be linked in the description down below. I will catch you guys next time. Have a great day. And as always, do not give up on your passion and do not give up on your business. Have a great day, guys.